This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by consolidating access. Sign into Cheapoair and verify your contact info so you receive confirmations. Once done, link the exact payment method or airline loyalty account that earns points because Cheapoair often credits only specific cards or partners. Make sure to check your point balance and any expiration or blackout windows now, since knowing those limits prevents wasted searches later. This first step sets the rules you'll follow. Skip it and you'll chase bookings that won't qualify. Now you'll run targeted searches. Pick flexible dates and use the 3-day window to surface cheaper point redemption fares. Once results appear, filter for partner airlines, non-stop flights, or refundable tickets depending on the points policy you checked earlier. This avoids surprise ineligibility. Then compare the cash price against the points cost. You want a minimum value threshold. Usually around 1 point equals 1 to 1.25 cents. If the math fails, move to other dates or partner carriers. Finish by booking with the exact linked account and payment method. Immediately save confirmation, e-ticket, and any receipts so you have proof. After travel or once the ticket posts, verify that points were credited to your loyalty account. If they did not appear, check the transaction history and contact Cheapoair support within 7 days. If support is slow, escalate with screenshots of the booking, timestamps, and the booking ID. That documentation is the single most effective way to recover missing points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.